Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome. In today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'm walking us through, I'll be showing us how to create an international TikTok account right here in Nigeria. And yeah, if you're in any part of Africa, this is going to work for you as well. So if you're a content creator, you should already know that TikTok does not monetize Nigerians. In fact, does not monetize any African country that I know of. Yeah, there are like few eligible countries like US, UK, and European countries are monetizable. Like those countries, you can monetize the TikTok account. Okay, and yeah, we can. So a few days ago, the need to create this video, right? A few days ago, I saw someone posted on his status, and he was collecting money from people to create monetizable TikTok accounts for them. And I'm like, okay, that's nice. But then, to me, this is not even something you should actually charge people to create for them. You can show them how to do it. So in this particular video, guys, I'll be showing you how to do it so that you don't go ahead and spend money on those guys that will collect money from you to create a TikTok account for you. It's really funny. So aside that, I'm not just going to cover and show you how to create this TikTok account. I'm going to show you how to do that, right? That's part of the process, all right? And I'm going to show you, I'm going to give instructions that you need to know, things you need to know as a content creator on TikTok, right? And I'm also going to show you the eligibility condition, all right? This is what I call it. Like 3 things right now in this particular video. 3 things in this particular video, okay? So now there are things you're going to need to actually create this TikTok account. You're going to need a TikTok app. Obviously, you're going to need a TikTok app. I would have said you're going to need a phone, but you're watching this video, it means you have a phone, right? So you need a phone to create a content, or you need a phone to create an account on TikTok, all right? So your phone, your VPN, your VPN, because you need to change your location. You should have an idea, right? Now that I've said VPN, so connect to your VPN with a strong internet connection, Ajay. Okay. So now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over ahead and talk about the process, what you need to do, and how you're gonna put all these things together. Okay. My light just went off. Now, before I continue this video, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grand Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online, and monetizing your TikTok account is one of it, right? So be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in making money online, and also like this video, and like it and share with your friends who want to create a TikTok account but don't know how to create a monetizable TikTok account. Okay, so let's go into the main video right now. Okay, hello and welcome to the process. All right, so this part is the part where I get to actually guide you and show you how you can create a TikTok account. All right, so all you have to do is you have to have a VPN, like I said earlier. It could be Windscribe, it could be Thunder VPN, and it could be XVPN. So right now I'm using XVPN and it's free. So you see the part where it says Go Premium. You can see that right here. You can see the part where it says Go Premium, and I'm not a premium user. So yeah. So once you're connected, click on this circle right here, this power button right here. Well, all right, the power button is going to, once it activates, you're good to go. And once it activates, you can see this right here. You can see this key icon right here on the top, right? So now that you've done that, now we're going to go to TikTok, right? So we go to TikTok, we open our TikTok app, right? Once it is opened, we're just gonna allow it. Download your TikTok app and open it. You go to the side where we have profile, and you have login. So it says, when it says login, it brings up this login to TikTok, and it says use phone, email, username, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Twitter, continue with Instagram. You're gonna leave that, and you're gonna click on sign up, which is below here. You're gonna see sign up, which is below here. Okay, so just click on sign up, and you're gonna have the options: use your phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Make sure you use your click on use phone or email. So click on use phone or email, and it's gonna open up, and it's gonna ask for phone number. Don't worry, you're gonna click on where we have this, right? We have email. You're just gonna see where it says use email. You're gonna use email, right? So sign up, phone or email. We click on email, and then we put an email right here. So I already have this email. This Ebenezer CCN is the number one I use, so I'm going to add ebenezer@gmail.com, and I'm going to click on continue, right? And we're going to give it a while, and we're going to put in our password, sorry. So I'm going to actually post this and put in my password and then get back. So when I've added my password, I'm going to click on next, right? And I have birthday, so I'm going to choose my birthday, and the birthday is going to be more than 18 years. So let's go with 2000. Let's go with 2000, and let's go in November. That's my birth month actually, and my birthday is on 2nd, so I'm going to go with 2nd, right? So 2nd, and I'm going to click on next. So once I click on this, it's going to go ahead, and we're going to go to the next page. All right, let's give it a while. So we're going to drag and slide this to fit the puzzle. I don't think I even know. Okay, we're going to okay. So this is it. It's close to being closed. Verification complete, and we're waiting upon the verification. Add your nickname. So I'm just going to go with Bishop Etling. Yeah, I think I like that one now. Bishop Etling. Yeah, because I'm in the ministry of preaching. And voila, we have this account created. And yes, this is my account. You can go ahead and follow me on TikTok, bishop.etling. Go ahead and follow me. That is what you guys can do for me, like give back to me, because I've shared this info with you guys for free. So you're gonna see right here, you're gonna say this, and you're gonna say this. So what we want to concentrate on right now is this one, this toggle icon, right? We're gonna click on it, and we're gonna see what we have here. And we're gonna look at this creator tools. You see that we have creator tools, and creator tools is what makes it. Once you have this creator tools, just be sure that you're on your way to earning, right? So I'm just going to go back, right, and click on creator tools, okay? And you're going to see that it's opening already, and we have analytics, we have monetization, we have more tools, and all of that. So you can start creating ASAP, okay? So you have this here. This is what we're gonna click on. Estimated rewards last 7 days, and the icon, the dollar icon, which is empty. We're gonna click on it, and we see that we have the option to actually start making money with this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the next things we need to do, but it's going to be important that you have this interface first. All right, so once you are eligible for monetization, you get notified. So you can just go over right here and click all programs and leave it at all programs, and once you're eligible, you will get notified. It's pretty easy. Okay, so that is it, guys, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what to do next. Let's go back to the next stage, which is TikTok monetization instructions. Okay, all right, welcome back. Yeah, I don't have light right now, but I mean, you guys can still see me. All right, so this part is the TikTok monetization instruction. There are like things you need to know, like the instruction you need to follow for you to get monetized. The first thing is that, you already have your old TikTok account. Please don't import those videos to your new TikTok account now that you've created it, right? Allow it. Create new videos, all right? Create new videos, okay? Do not post other people's content. That is important. If you must get monetized, don't steal other people's content and post on your timeline on TikTok and expect to get monetized. It's not going to work, okay? And please, for no reason should you switch to a TikTok business account. Once you do that, you lose your monetization. it's that simple. Please don't. So don't switch to TikTok or business account. And please, yeah, I said this before and I'm going to say it again, keep all your content original. Your content should be original, please. And for you to earn more, you need to this is when you've gotten monetized. For you to earn more, you need to upload a video of more than 1 minute. Yeah, okay. And that is it. So let's go back to the next stage. The next stage is eligibility conditions. There are things you need to meet to be able to be eligible, right? You saw the part where it says notify me when I am eligible, right? Yeah, so there are conditions you need to meet. So for YouTube, you have a milestone to meet. I think 1,000 subscribers, yeah, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours for YouTube. Then for TikTok right here, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. I mean, I don't have, I know this because I based on research. I don't have a monetized TikTok account. And you guys saw me create a monetizable TikTok account in your present. I mean, it was a live one, so I don't have a TikTok account. So this TikTok account is like it's gonna be my main TikTok account henceforth. So please guys, please go and follow your boy at bishop.etling. Please follow me, please, I'm begging you, please follow me. All right, and not just that, you need to have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, you need to have that, and you must be at least 18 years old. So this is not for kids. And if you're a kid, if you're a child, you can actually increase the age thing to maybe 18 years old or above 18 years old. Yes, that is it. And now someone is gonna be like, how do I get the 10,000 followers, and how do I get the 100,000 video views for the last 30 days? Now I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna experiment on that. So maybe in my next video or in future coming videos, I'm gonna experiment on that, and I'm gonna tell you if I've gotten that. I'm gonna come back and share that with you guys. All right, so right now it's going to be a peace out, and I have shared with you guys how to create this monetizable TikTok account right here in Nigeria. All right, so it's gonna be a peace out, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and peace.